Have you ever encountered a plant that resembles a miniature water lily? Meet the American frogbit, a unique floating aquatic weed. But beware, there's a similar-looking invasive species lurking in our waters. American frogbit, or Limnobium spongia, is found primarily in eastern North America. Its heart-shaped leaves, measuring 2 to 6 cm, float gracefully on water surfaces, presenting a vibrant green, smooth appearance. The underside of these leaves is soft and spongy, distinguished by air-filled tissue that helps them stay buoyant. Be cautious. European frogbit, or Hydrocharis morsus ranae, is an invasive threat commonly found in the Great Lakes. Its leaves are smaller, 1 to 3 cm, and have a different shape at the base. If you spot frogbit in the Great Lakes, confirm its identity before taking action. American frogbit is a native and is protected in certain regions. American frogbit spreads through both stolons, horizontal runners that create new rosettes, and seeds dispersed via water and wildlife. It grows best in slow-moving water, such as ponds and swamps, especially in shaded areas. In contrast, European frogbit has adapted to more environments but threatens native species by forming dense mats. Ecologically, American frogbit supports aquatic life, providing shelter to fish and invertebrates. However, when it grows too densely, it limits light and oxygen. European frogbit, a real concern due to its invasive nature, disrupts local ecosystems. You can find American frogbit in the southeastern US, while European frogbit is mainly in the Great Lakes, where it began spreading in the late 20th century. Always consult local resources for help with identification. Managing American frogbit generally requires action only if it becomes a nuisance. In contrast, tackle European frogbit actively using physical removal and targeted herbicides, ensuring you follow local regulations. Remember, understanding these floating weeds is essential for protecting our waterways. If you encounter frogbit, always know which type you are dealing with. For help, reach out to local natural resource departments. Now that you know about American frogbit and its invasive counterpart, take action. Keep an eye on your local waters and help protect our native species by becoming informed.